Okay, so we're on guided class practice 46A, and you had to measure the name line in inches and then make a date line that was 1 inch longer. And so that would, if you measured your name line, you saw it was 3 inches, and so your date line should be 4 inches, and then you put your date. My date was 12/14/20, but you put the date you're doing this. And number 1 says, write a story problem for the number sentence 9 minus 8 equals 1. Remember, you need a question in your story problem. So here's my example. Sally made 9 bracelets. She sold 8 bracelets. How many bracelets does she have left? And my answer is 1 bracelet. But look, I've got a question mark, right? My question was how many. Starts out with how many. This is a sum went away, so you need to have 9 of something and then 8 go away. Okay, remember you can pause my videos at any time. Number 2, what temperature is shown on the thermometer to the nearest degree? So this was our new concept today, and you can watch that video. And so we have something between 30 and 40. Okay, we know that. Now, it's between, we know that the marks in between 30 and 40 mean 2 degrees. So you get 32, 34, 36. It's not all the way to 38. It's between 36 and 38, which means it has to be 37 degrees Fahrenheit. So remember, in between the marks are odd numbers. So. And don't forget your little degree sign and your little capital F for Fahrenheit. Number 3, what is the freezing point of water on the Fahrenheit scale? So if you watch the new concept video, you will know that that is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the boiling point of water on the Fahrenheit scale? Again, if you watch the video, you know that boiling point of water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And what is the normal body temperature of most people on the Fahrenheit scale? Again, on the video, new concept video, you'll know it is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. There you go. So you do need to know those, so start memorizing them. Number 4, I have 7 $100 bills, 3 $100 bills, and 4 $10 bills. Did I say 100? I mean 7 $100 bills, 3 $1 bills, and 4 $10 bills. So you know I like to make a place value chart, and I like to put them where they go so that I can see. Well, I have 7 hundreds, 3 in the ones, and 4 in the tens. So my money is $743. See, they do it out of order to see if you're paying attention. What is the value of the digit 4 in this number? Okay, when you see value, they want a number. They want how much it's worth. And a 4 is in the tens, which means it's worth $10, $20, $30, $40. So you have to write $40. Don't write tens. That's place value. They just want to know the value of the 4. That's 4 tens or $40. Okay, next. It is 8:25 p.m. Show the time on the clock. So 8:25, we want our hour hand halfway between the 8 and the 9. So that's your shorthand. That shows it's between 8 and 9, and 25 is almost halfway, right? So that's why I put my arrow about almost halfway between the 8 and the 9. And then to put the 25-minute hand or the minute hand on at 25 minutes, you put it at the big 5 because we can count by 5s from 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this shows 8:25. And what time will it be 2 hours from now? Well, if I just move the hour hand 2 spots, that goes to 9:25, 10:25 would be 2 hours. The 25 didn't change, it's the hour that changed. So 10:25, which is still in the PM range. Anytime you cross over the 12, it's going to change from PM to AM or AM to PM. So I didn't cross over when I just went up 2 hours, 9 to 10:25, and that is still, if it was 8:25 p.m. to begin with, it's still in the p.m. It would be 10:25 p.m. All right, find the answers using mental computation. So 23 plus 17. Okay, combine your ones first. 3 and 7 make 10. Okay, and I'm going to make that up here so you can see. And you can do this to help yourself. That's perfectly fine. And then I'm going to do my tens. So that's 20 and 10 make 30. Not 3, 30. Because that's really a 20 and that's really a 10, right? Which makes 30. So 30 plus 10 is 40. So your answer is 40 for that one. 54 plus 30. I'm going to do my ones first. 4 plus 0 makes 4. And now I'm going to do my tens. 50 plus 30 makes 80. So the answer is 84. Okay. 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1. You know our trick. We find all the things that make 10. So 5 plus 5, that equals 10. And 4, 2, and 1 don't make a 10. They're not a double. So I'm just going to circle all of those individually and add them to 10. So I'm going to say 10 plus 4 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So my answer is 17. 35 plus 57. All right, 5 and 7 make 12. So that's the first thing we add together. If you can do it in your head, that's great. 30 and 50 make 80. So now I have to add 80 and 12, which make 92. All right, 8 times 10. This was what we learned last week, right? Anything times 1 is the other number, so anything times 10 is the other number with a 0 tacked on. So 8 times 1 would be 8, so 8 times 10 is 80. 8 with a 0. And then the last one, 59 minus 10 is 49. It was a subtraction problem. Don't forget to check out what is the operation here, and it is subtraction. So we take a 10 away. So instead of 59, it is 49. Okay, so go ahead and do the homework side and go to my next video to check your homework.